This method I'm about to show you will not require any skills or experience. It will cost nothing. It's available in every country all around the world, and it's a perfect method for complete beginners. This is the platform that I'll be showing you how to use for this money-making method. You won't have to create or post any content. You won't need a big social media following. You're not going to sell anything, and this is going to be something that's relatively new. I'll be combining two different websites for this method as well, so make sure that you pay close attention as there are very detailed steps in this tutorial that you need to follow in order to make money with this strategy. So first, I'd like you to head over to Google and find different articles that are appealing and attractive enough to get people to click on. An example could be about how someone was able to make $100 in one day. And you won't be the one who's creating any of these articles or posting any articles. So I'm just going to type in how to make money online. So if we scroll down here, we will see a bunch of articles related to how to make money online. So I'll just click on this one as an example. There are tons of articles that you can find in this niche, and you can use any niche like fitness, health, finance, and more. So if you chose fitness, you could find an article titled How to Lose Weight or something like that. So now I'll look that up as an example for the fitness category. So there are a bunch of articles related to how to lose weight that you can choose from. And you don't actually need to read through the article to really know what it's about. You just need the article itself. And like I said, this can work in any niche. It could be about fashion, technology, video games, whatever. Now that we have a few articles here, we can move on to the next platform, which is the most crucial step of this process. So make sure you are paying close attention here. First, I'm going to copy the URL of this article here, and then go to this platform called shrinkme.io. And as it states right here, you can shorten URLs and earn money. They also claim that they are the highest paying URL shortener right here. It says that you can earn up to $220 per 10,000 views. I know that 10,000 views seems like a lot, but there's a platform that you can use that will get you 10,000 views super quickly, which I'll show you very shortly. Essentially, the way you're going to get paid is just by people clicking on your link that you will shorten through shrinkme.io. The reason why shrinkme.io will pay you for people clicking on the link that you shortened through their platform is because companies will pay shrinkme.io to add advertisements on your links. In other words, when someone clicks on your link that you shortened with shrinkme.io, that person will see an ad first before going to the actual link. So now if you pay close attention, I'm going to show you a traffic source that will get you a lot of clicks and therefore allow you to make a lot of money. This system is going to run on complete autopilot. All we need to do is set it up here first to get it running. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to this channel to watch more videos on how to make money online. So first, I want to click on payout rates and show you how much you can earn per 1,000 views from each country. So you can see here that Greenland is at the top with $22 per 1,000 views, and then Ireland, and then the United States, and so on. So I'm going to take the average CPM by adding the top paying country, which is $22, and then the bottom right here, which is $3.50, and divide that by 2 to get $12.75, which is a great CPM. So to create an account on shrinkme.io, just click on this button at the top right corner that says register. You'll just need to create a username, add your email, a password confirmation, check this box saying that you're not a robot, check this box saying that you agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and then click register. After that, you can sign into your account. And right here, you can see that you'll receive a sign-up bonus of $1 for every person that you refer. So now that you have your account, you can paste the article's URL right here and then click this button to create your shortened link. So if I actually open this link, it'll show you some ads here and then ask for the CAPTCHA. So you will just check this box and then click here, wait a few seconds, and then get your link right here. That will then take you to the article right here. So every time someone goes through that process by clicking on your shortened link, you will get paid. So now I'm going to show you how you can get a bunch of traffic to this link. So I'd like you to go over to this website called Fiverr.com, which is a massive freelance marketplace. And then I want you to search Instagram shoutouts and browse through different influencers who will shout out your account. You can pay someone like $10 to do a shout out, and if they have like 500,000 followers and only 1% of them click on your link, which is 5,000 people, you will get about $150 to $200 in like 10 or 20 minutes. Another website you can use is shoutcart.com, which is a website where you can buy gigs from influencers and people who have massive followings on social media like Instagram to post a shout out to your affiliate link and offers. It's a great website and strategy to do marketing and promotion. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, check out this video right here.